friends, welcome back to my new video. Today in this video we are going to learn about library functions LCASE and UCASE. So let's go and start the video. LCASE, it converts string value to lowercase, and UCASE, it converts string value to uppercase. So let's go and make some program using LCASE and UCASE. So here in the screen you can see that I'm going to make program using UCASE. Now I am going to run the program, and you can see the results. Now I am going to make some word capital to use LCASE. Now I am going to use LCASE in this program and run. Then you can see the results. Again I am going to run, and you can see the results. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.